Hi everyone, it's Fred from Landscape Plus here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Hunter AccuSync Pressure Regulators. So I suppose the first thing to touch on is what is an AccuSync Pressure Regulator? They are designed to fit onto any Hunter PGV valve, whether it's 24 volt or 9 volt. And what they do is they regulate the pressure so that whatever your inlet pressure is, you can adjust them on the side of the AccuSync to allow a different outflow pressure. So they attach to any PGV, like I said, so they slot onto the solenoid itself. So that comes apart, and then we slot that into there, and then put the solenoid back on top. So I'll show you how to install those in just a minute. But the reason why you would use these is obviously different irrigation runs on different pressures, and if you're using a tank and pump system, which often uses the solenoid valves, then your pump will be the thing that is pushing out the pressure, and that may need regulating depending on the type of irrigation you're using. So for example, drip line may need 1 or 2 bar pressure, whereas pop-ups might need 2 or 3 bar. So it just allows you to get the exact pressure that you need on the outlet, preventing any damage to irrigation, that sort of thing. So we'll show you how to install those now as well. So moving on now to how to install the AccuSyncs. The first thing you need to do is get your PGV valve. This can be pre-installed before you install the system, or it can be retrofit into existing systems. But what you'll need to do is take the solenoid valve off, and you'll notice the bottom of the AccuSync has the exact same thread size, so all we need to do is screw that on. The flow control valve there in the center stops it from swinging round, so what you need to do instead is to tighten it up from the cuff that's on the top of the AccuSync there. There we go. So once that's in place, the cuff allows you to control the angle of where the AccuSync sits. So it means that within your valve box, you can rearrange them to make sure that they all fit in there. We'll then thread our solenoid back on. There we go. And that is then fully installed, all screwed down, ready to go. You can see on the side of the AccuSyncs here, you have adjustments between 2 and 6 bar. So to adjust them, we just turn this little cuff at the top here, and that allows you to adjust your outlet pressure from the valve. They're suitable for up to 7 bar inlet pressure, so they can reduce down to whatever you set them to. They of course can't boost the pressure, so just make sure that the pressure that you set is lower than the inlet pressure that you have. So that is the AccuSyncs all covered. We always recommend using them for any manifold system. It just makes sure that your irrigation is always running as efficiently as possible and that you're not putting excess pressure onto your system. If you have any questions or want any information, just get in touch with the team and we'll be happy to help.